We'll be constructing a triangle given the length of its three sides. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a baseline that is longer than the side AB using our T-square and pencil, or a ruler and pencil. So we're going to use a ruler to measure 8 centimeters on the line, and then we're going to label the base AB. Then we're going to open our compass to the length of the side AC using our ruler, compass, and pencil. Then we're going to put the compass point at A and mark an arc. Then we're going to measure BC, which is 7 centimeters. Then we're going to put the compass at B, mark an arc to intersect the previous arc drawn from center A. Where the two arcs intersect, we label this point C. Then we're going to use our ruler to join B to C as shown. Then we're going to use our ruler to join from C to A. Then we're going to darken AB, which is the base. This is a given triangle based on the measurements for AB, BC, and AC. We're going to use our T-square and pencil to draw some guidelines, which are parallel lines, which are about 4 millimeters apart. So we're going to label to construct a triangle given the three sides. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given given the three sides. In the next video, we'll be constructing an equilateral triangle given the perimeter. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we thank you for joining us. Please take care. Until then, bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.